Hey guys, so I wanted to talk a bit about habitat for your garden. So I have a pretty small backyard, but as you can see, I've been able to get creative and do a lot with it. I built a lot of raised beds and have a lot of pots and such. And when I was thinking about how to set up this garden, I considered doing more raised beds in this side yard over here, and then eventually decided against it. And the reason I decided against it is I wanted to maintain a habitat for beneficial insects and other creatures that will be beneficial to my garden. So I have a lot of lizards in my yard and frogs. And where are they going to live? They got to live somewhere. So my decision was to leave this alone and maintain habitat for all the little creatures that are going to be living in my garden and helping out my garden. And in some places I've kind of let things start to grow back in because I was a little overzealous in pulling things out when I started setting up this garden. For instance, these here, I pulled out a lot of these, and now I'm kind of letting them take over again and letting what will be habitat for all the little creatures in the garden just come back in so that they have someplace to live. So yeah, when you're setting up your garden, think about what kind of habitat you're going to establish or is established, and just leave it alone. Sometimes doing less is doing more, as the saying goes. So yeah,